Hello everyone, welcome to the sheet metal tutorial. In this first out of 3 videos I'm going to show you guys how to make this basic shape here using sheet metal, of course. I'm going to be using this drawing here that you guys have been provided with. Using all these rather complicated looking dimensions, we'll be able to fully define this piece. So let's get started. I already have an empty part pre-opened using the Engineering 1030 SolidWorks templates. So what we're going to do first is locate where sheet metal is exactly. As you can see, there's nothing obvious here. What we do is we go up along here, these tabs here, we right click and you can see a few options pop up. So we're going to select sheet metal, and now our sheet metal toolbar has appeared. Okay, so to start a sheet metal part, you have to start with the base flange tab. So we click that, we're going to select the front face to sketch on, and we're just going to draw a simple rectangle. That is 2.5 units high, 3 units long. Then we just close our sketch. We define it. Now we click Exit Sketch. So now we get a base flange feature manager over here. Right here, this first thing, this is our thickness. Right now it's at 0.05. That's exactly what we want, so we're just going to leave that. These other things down here, bend allowance, auto relief, K-factor, we don't need to worry about that right now. That's for much more advanced versions of sheet metal. So I'll click the green check mark. As you can see, we have a very thin piece of sheet metal. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to zoom in down here a little bit. You can see this R.06. That's the radius of the bend that we're going to get. As you can see, it's not quite 0.06. We want that radius to be exactly 0.06. So I'll just type decimal 06, enter, and there we go. So now we have our first bit. Now what we need to do is create a series of edge flanges right here. This is where the edge flange command is. So first of all we have to do is select a edge. And as you can see, we can drag this out right here. Now we want that distance to be 2.5. As you can see, there's a few options here, such as outer virtual sharp, inner virtual sharp, and tangent bend. Right now, inner virtual sharp is already selected, and that's what we want to stick with. However, out of these 5, as you can see, there are several there. Material outside is selected right now. We don't want that for now. Right now we want bend outside. And as you can see, it shifts up a little bit in the preview. So we'll click OK. Now all I'm going to do is copy those 2 edge flanges on the sides. Alright, so those 3 are done. Now we have to do 2 more edge flanges that start from this top face here and go down on the inside. So we'll select edge flange again. I'll zoom in on here, select this edge, and drag downward. Now as you can see from the preview, it's intersecting with this piece of material here. That's a simple fix. Right here where we have bend outside, we simply switch that to material outside. As you can see, it moves in. We want this to have a distance of 0.5 inches. Click OK. And now I'll just make another one on the other side. Alright guys, as for our basic shape, that's about it. One more thing I do want to show you guys. In case you ever want to get a full view of your entire sheet metal part all at once, you can just use this command here, flatten. You just select that, and as you can see, the whole thing flattens out. You can see where all your bends are located and other such features. And if you want to unbend it, simply click it again and it goes back. Thanks for watching this one, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.